Good morning. Looks like I'm a little bit crooked here. Let's see if I can straighten that out. No, not quite, but okay. We'll work with it. Let's see here. Let's get my message board up here. How was everybody this morning? Oh, sweet. Steffi got back in touch with me. Well, let's mute that because I'm going to get a lot of cool stuff here. Oh, DDO Stream is playing Dungeons & Dragons Online. Awesome. I love that game. So how was everybody this morning? I don't see anybody in chat. And I'm not hearing any volume from my other thing. What's going on there? Oh, playback devices, wireless headset, no. Oh, because I have music muted. All right, so audio, music volume. Why am I not hearing any music? Speakers, persist sound, headset. All right, what's up with the music? That's weird. Give me my music. Now I got my airship noise. I'm getting my sound effects, but no music. There we go. Alright, so let me turn that down a little bit. Music, 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 music. There we go, that should work. Alrighty, so still not seeing anybody in chat this morning. Anyways, let's get over to here. Today we're gonna give away 500 turbine points. I'd say I feel like it's a 7 attendees needed day. So far we have 0 attendees. So let's shrink that down. Hopefully some people will show up. Let's see what's new on the wiki today. Recent changes. Last week was January 19th. So January 19th, that's where we are. Good, good, good. Move log. Defensive Potion of Wonder to Defensive Potion of Wonder. That was moved to an item page, okay. Cool. New user. New picture for Hurl Through Hell. No, that was changed icons. I uploaded a new version of the Silver Bow, post U28 with improved crit range. There's a list of pages for that actually that I want to look at. Bow of Sanu was done. Pinion Cloud Pincer was done, although I think that's a red pick that needs to be updated. Sue did a lot more Temple of Elemental Evil stuff. That's awesome. Sue's been working a lot on that lately. DDOwiki Administrators Notice Board Projects. New project. Let's take a look at that. Acts of the Unseen Bow. Talk Favor. User Seahound has 250 plus edits. DDOwiki Policy Default Key Mapping. We're going to want to take a look at that. Template Stat on my talk page. Block Log. Spam account blocked. Talk Rizia Ice Games. Hidden Teleporter. Okay, yep. I'm gonna bring that up there. What was that other discussion? Talk Favor. I think I put it on the notice board, so we should be all set there. User creation. Another spam bot. I should make a script for that. I still haven't gotten to it. It's on my list of things to do. Looks like Sue and Sedge have been doing a lot of NPC stuff. Potion icons, although the naming is wrong for those. I'll have to go through and move them at some point. They should be melee power potion icon, shield of faith potion icon, or whatever the potion name itself is. So item name, and then in lowercase what it is: potion icon, potion effect, blood eye. A lot of stuff going on there. Scrolling up. Talk Rizia Ice Games. We already have that one open. Deletion log. ED tree. Shadow Dancer. That's in the wrong place too. A lot of stuff that should have been marked as minor or bot. It probably should have been marked as bot, but it wasn't. If you have a huge project like that you have a lot of pages that you're updating because of changes in template parameters or something like that, please ask for bot access so that those can be marked properly as bot. It also gives you the ability to, well, you can use AWB anyway. We don't have any restrictions on that. Although I might set some up at some point. There has been no incident to indicate that it's needed at this point. Don't be that guy that makes it so that it's needed. Legendary Green Steel, some uploads. January 25th, so we're up to yesterday. I did some work on a script that reminds me to log out when I'm on the school IP address. And then we have protection log. I protected Midwinter Festival score and recipes and started a talk page for it. We'll take a look at that. We have a discussion going on Paradigm Past Life. And near the entrance King Forest, that looks good to me. Alright, so U28, this is what it was right here. U28 crit range update. Originally posted by Severlin. They will be increasing the threat range of the following named weapons. I have gone through and turned that list into a clickable link list, with the exception of these, which I still need to fix. And whatever Phosphor and Fossil are, I have no idea what those items are. I can't find them or any reference to anything like that using search. So if you know what Phosphor is, or you know what Fossil is, please update the links to those items so that those can be updated as well. You can see that Bow of Sinew has been struck out. It's already done. Silver Longbow has been struck out. It's already done. I'm the last one to update the project, so it has me marked as owner. That does not mean that you cannot work on it, as long as you strike them out when you're done. Oh, that needs to be put on its own line. So what do we got here? Let's take a look here. Kenpei says it's phosphor. Okay, so it's just that Severlink can't spell. Or somebody can't spell. And there's a typo. I will update that right now. And while I'm here, I'm going to bump that out as well. It should be on its own line. That should be on its own line. That should be on its own line. There should be no with two on the same line. I am going to move the strike through for this to the end. And I am also going to make it small. Just to make it so that it's less stick outish. Alright, so the done ones are crossed out. Phosphor is now up there. Maybe that'll be our project for today on the wiki. We'll go through and see which ones of those have already been updated and which ones need to be. Some of them might already be done. I need to update those too. That's okay. So we have this talk that was started by Seahound. About whether or not default key mapping should be included on pages that use it, like for inventory. It should it or should it not say you can also press I to access your inventory by default, or M for map, or F for push to talk, or whatever. Haberno is of the opinion that no key input should be included, as they are customizable. Seahound is of the opposite position, that they should always be listed. Haberno came back says that they shouldn't be on any page except for one master list of default key bindings. And my opinion on it is that it's interesting, and I really don't think that we need to have a policy on that. I think it should be up to the editor's discretion on each page topic. Also, there are technically 3 default sets of bindings: default, FPS style, and classic. Good morning, Izander. If there was an edit war about it, it could quickly be settled. So we got a couple people now. Let's add our attendees to our list. We have Kenpa, and we have Is Sander. 5 more to go, and we'll be rolling off 500 TP at the end of the show. And I still have to get out Ed's 500 TP from last week. I haven't forgotten. I had forgotten, but he reminded me last night, so I am on top of that. It will be done. I just that week was messed up because I wasn't streaming directly on DDO stream, and I got caught up with work for the week and just never got back around to it. But I will get that code out probably today, and I will also get out code for this one if we have 7 viewers. So yeah, If you have an opinion on whether or not default key mapping should be included on pages, if it should have a page dedicated to it, or if it should not be included at all, please comment on that discussion. On my user talk, there have been a few discussions. Why are we keeping this page trade between characters? It reads more like a forum post. Talk pages are not blanked or deleted. They're kept for records of discussions. Talk pages are supposed to look like forum posts. They are for wiki discussion, not visitor research. Good morning, Shoe-san. I will add you to the list. Apparently, Seahound didn't like my opinion on the matter. I believe he actually asked JJ about it on his talk page, or he put it up someplace else. I don't remember where. I think it was on JJ's page. Zab talk page. Questions on policy. This is where he brought it up. Asking, for instance, this orphan page, trade between characters, looks to me should never have been added. And basically, Zav said the same thing as me, except that he thinks that it should be moved to the forum namespace, and I said that's fine. I don't really care if you're moving to forum. Just make sure it's the right forum namespaces. We have two, and one of them is broken. NPC, I kind of scolded Zav a little bit, saying that they should have been at least marked as minor, if not done with Cobalt Sneak, so that they were marked as bot. He agreed, and he'll try to remember that next time. I actually need to make an edit to AWB to make it so that you can mark your edits as bot if you're a bot or administrator, so that you have that choice. Template stat. I reverted something for Sue, and she was confused because I had it all caps for something in an example, and JJ changed it to be sentence case in an actual usage. And she was worried that it was nitpicking on things that are irrelevant and being pulled between two amends on different what's incorrect or incorrect. I said the reason it was all caps in the example section is to show that the template is coded cleverly enough that it does not care what the case uses of the template. That said, it's good practice to use normal proper case on articles. Knowing the template won't care if you accidentally type spooky or spooky instead of spooky for the sake of readability. Zav polices my edit sometimes too. It doesn't break anything and calms an apparent pet peeve of his, so I just let it be. It's kind of the attitude that you need to have on most things. If it's not breaking anything and it's just, a pet peeve thing of theirs, let them do it. So, if it's a pet peeve of yours, then, you discuss it with them and figure out what's going to work best. And if you can't agree upon it, you ask another administrator, or you put it up on the administrator's notice board, and we'll discuss it, and we'll all be happy and get along, and there'll be love and joy and cookies, and we'll keep them away from Titan, who burns cookies and murders them. Titan, you're not going to live that down. So, next topic was the Ice Games hidden teleporter. There is a type of teleportation Easter egg, for better words, in the harbor if you go to the area where the NPCs are standing by the Stormreach Lighthouse, where you come off the boat from Korthos, and you go underneath the little ramp boards pier thing there into the back of a block. If you walk into the back of the ice skating ramp block, it'll actually teleport you to the top, up where the quest for find the missing tome, or no, hidden archives or something like that. With the old library quest that used to be in the lighthouse, it's now up in the near the harbor master's quarters there. So it'll take you from where the quest used to be to the quest is now. Just teleport you up to the top so you can just slide down again, run in and slide down again, and run in and slide down again, so you don't have to keep running back up, wasting time. I actually demonstrated using that a couple times in my Sunday stream. Shue cobbled a human cleric. Really cool thing to know, little Easter egg thing. So, Midwinter Festival score and recipes. It's starting to look to me like this year, that this year's different iteration has changed the recipes or values, and I'd like to discuss if it might not be a good idea to start a fresh log of what scores give which recipes. While this discussion is ongoing, I've temporarily fully protected the page because there's been somebody that's just been plugging values in this morning, and I want them to hit that wall and say, why can't I edit this anymore, and go to the talk page and say, oh, this is why, and either comment on it, and they can even log things on the talk page itself. I have no issue with that. And we'll just adjust it and make it work that way. So please discuss that if you want to work on score and recipes. Paladin, past life. It used to be 10 heal amp for every past life. Good morning, City. I believe it went from 10 heal amp every past life to 5%. Crew does not agree with that. He thinks that the feat changed, but the description didn't, and people are trying to go by the description. And so if you have more information on that, if that's a bug, if it's a description bug that needs to be fixed, let me know, and I will have Varg look into it, and it probably won't hit the next patch, which may or may not be coming very soon. I can't give out a date on that, because I don't have one. Or it may hit the patch after. I know they've been working on a lot of description typo type bugs recently. Cordovan has been asking if you know any typos or description bugs or things like that to let them know. So I don't know if this one got refreshed in his memory, but please let me know if it's a description bug or if it's an effect bug so that I can have whichever one it is properly fixed. Let's see here. City plays DDO for 500 turbine points. 5 out of 7. We only need 2 more people this morning. Alrighty, and that brings us back around to recent changes. So now that I've babbled on for 25 minutes, does anyone have anything that they would like me to work on today? Taking suggestions. City, you're always out of it, but that's okay. You don't need to be here to win on this stream. Strim Tom learned why requiring people to be there for the drawing is a pain in the butt. Your laptop, yes, sitting right behind me on the shelf over here. Except that's not a wiki thing, so if you have any wiki-related things that you would like me to work on, let me know. ZZZ. No, I already worked on that. I'm good on the ZZZs. Control Alt Hammer. That's an interesting combination. Oh, I should mention, if you won a prize on the 10th anniversary giveaway show, and I haven't heard from you yet to claim your prize, then you need to get a hold of me this week if you want your prize in the first batch. Alright, so I guess I'm just gonna wing it, having not heard any suggestions. Big yawn. And stretch. And stretch. Okay. What? I already fed you this morning. You know? Okay. Bye-bye. My kitty's dying for attention, apparently. Alright, so... let's see here. Durgar War Axe of Weapon Master. Minimum level 21. The House of Rusted Blades. Loot. Let's take a look at that. So, Drow... item of the Weapon Master. Okay. So I should be able to hit all these and call them so it's item of the Weapon Master. And I think that one's supposed to be Drow too. Nope, that one's not. Okay, so that's the only weirdo. Drow weapon of the Weapon Master. Alright, so... oh, okay. I can certainly take a look at that. MRF. Fix the names for all the Drow weapon of the Weapon Master. That should be Duragard. War Axe. Oh, what was the one that wasn't right? Great Axe. And that's Drow, capital W. It is case sensitive. Great Axe, Great Axe, Great Axe, Great Axe, Great Axe, Great Axe. Great Axe is not listed. There is no Great Axe. There it is, Great Axe. One word. Great Axe. Show preview. Anybody know what this fossil thing that Severlin was talking about is supposed to be? Oh, that's right. I gotta do Luminous Truth, which is 3. Cutthroat Small Blade, which is 3. So let's work on those. So Cutthroat is 4. Luminous Truth is 3. Alright, so the other thing that I was to look at was, let's see here, let's scroll back a little bit. The Seal of Chanticleer. The Seal of Chanticleer. Seal of Chanticleer Adpack icon. I don't want to upload it. I want to visit the page. It's used by 2 pages. It's at the Seal of Chanticleer Adpack icon. How is that different? Ah, capital T. So we're gonna... What links here? All of those pages. Okay, so Chanticleer... What is the proper spelling like that? Should 2 be a capital T or not? 2 should be a capital T. So that is a typo on the page itself here. Chanticleer, CE casing, typo, it's a minor edit. And if we go to list of quest by story arc, the Druid's Deep doesn't have an Adpack icon yet. We need to get one of those. Web of Chaos, Ruins of Thrennel should. I'll have to see what's up with that one. Devils of Shamrath does, Dreaming Dark does, Path of Inspiration does. Chanticleer, there we go. Chanticleer. Minor edit. CE casing typo. Ruins of Thrennel doesn't have its either, so I need to figure that one out. Vault of Night is missing. I'll take a look at that one. Reload that, it should be done. Seal of Chanticleer is fixed, good. Adpack, Ruins of Thrennel. Now we got some new people. I need to add them to the list. Alright, so who have we picked up this morning? Starting with City. We have Anne. Dulevet, which I know I'm not saying that right, but that's okay. I'm just going to call you Ann. I already have Kenpa. I hate the blue on the black. It's so hard to read. Rakowattypl. There we go, and we have our 7. There we go. So let's see here. Ruins of Threnal Adpack icon. So there's that many pages that go there. Let's do this and search for it. The Ruins of Threnal Adpack icon. So that's where that's located. So that should be the Ruins of Threnal. That fixes that. So most of these are just typos that people have in there, lack of consistency. I'm going to clean that right up. Oh. So it should just be Ruins of Threnal with no the in front of it. Alright, in that case, let's close all these. Ruins of Threnal. The Ruins of Threnal must be a redirect back to here. Alright, good morning. Crazy Trickster 127. Alright, so that redirects back to there. Alright, edit. That's fine. Recent changes. That shouldn't be the Ruins of Threnal. Go like this. We're going to rename this. So in order to rename a file, you do a move. I'm not going to watch it, just going to move it. Recent changes, Ruins of Threnal. I'm going to undo that edit. Alright, so that takes care of that. Vault of Night. Ah, that's why that one's broken. You can't have pipe links in there. It should be just Vault of Night or the Vault of Night. Try the Vault of Night. There it is. So Vault of Night should be the Vault of Night. The Western Excavations, correct. Nothing links there anymore. That one's fixed. Okay, red fence. Is there any other ones here that are broken? I know there are some that are missing, but are there any more that are broken here? What's that one? Druid's Deep does not have one yet. City, just do it. You know about DDO. That's all you need to know. So, all you need to know is you know about DDO. So, I think we need to do another tutorial on how to create an account. But since we updated from 1.19 to 1.23, that system has not been revised yet to be new user friendly, which is something I really, really need to do. And I'm probably the only one that can really do it right now. Well, let me finish this project, and then I gotta work today. I shifted my schedule around. I'm having a baby. Can't you see how pregnant I am? I'm gonna have a son at the end of March, and I am going to name him Quentin, I believe. His mother wants to name him Lane. I think Lane is a horrible name. Horrible, horrible name. I think Quentin is much better. Those are the only two that she's willing to consider, so I believe it's going to be Quentin. I really hope that she doesn't try to sneak around and behind my back and name him Lane. It's just not going to happen. Alright, so let's take a look here. Druid's Deep doesn't exist. The rest of them are good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Special Wanted Files, I think it is. Ah, there we go. And I am going to search for Adpack icon.jpg. The Druid's Deep. Reaver's Reach. Let's open that one up. High Road of Shadows. Ooh. I need to take a look at those as well. Evening Star Challenge Pack. Shadow Under Thunderhome. Ruins of Threnel has already been fixed. Temple of Elemental Evil. Quest map. Tomb of the Crimson Heart. High Road of Shadows. Veil of Twilight. Reaver's Refuge has already been fixed. Oh, it's there. Oh, that's one of those I gotta fix. Okay. Ruins of Threnel, let's open that one up too. Veil of Twilight. Shadowfell Conspiracy. And the last one is Haunted Halls of Evening Star. Alright, so Haunted Halls of Evening Star links to... Well, that's the problem right there. It should be the Haunted Halls. We can fix that one. Should be the Haunted Halls of Evening Star. That doesn't fix it either. Okay, we'll do that. We'll do... I need to add a search link in here. The Haunted Halls. Adventure pack icons. We don't have a Haunted Halls one, or it's not in the category. Let's do a what links here. There's another page that shows them, but it's not there. Okay. How about just adventure pack icons? Adventure pack icon gallery. Lane is very lame. I agree. Yes, I really wanted Edgar as well, but that's just not gonna happen. So. Haunted Halls of Evening Star. We just might not have one. Okay, I'm okay with that. We don't have a Haunted Halls of Evening Star. We don't have one. Okay, so the name of the pack is the Haunted Halls of Evening Star. We don't have an image for this yet. Shadowfell Conspiracy Expansion Adpack icon. Shadowfell Conspiracy Expansion Adpack icon. Sipping my coffee. Knocking a battery over. I should get some white paint and paint on my coffee mug, put something on it. Only if your choice is Quentin, and you should let Shoe Girlfriend know. The Ruins of Threnal Adpack icon. Adventure pack icon gallery. That needs to be fixed. I can't fix that because it's protected. Why is that fully protected? There's no reason for that to be fully protected anymore. Let's dump that back to auto confirm. Yogg protected it. That's what it was. Okay, so if I reload the page, now that I've dropped the protection level down, it's a blue icon instead of, hey, I don't get my tooltip. Tooltip doesn't work in Chrome? Well, that sucks. Works in Firefox. Chrome, I don't like you. I am fixing icons for packs, so now I can edit the page. We are apparently missing, let's see, scroll down, Haunted Halls. 21 to 30, and that was the Haunted Halls. The Haunted Halls. Exactly what AmRef said. Oh, it's the Haunted Halls of Evening Star. So I need to make sure that I get the full name in there. The Haunted Halls of Evening Star. The Haunted Halls of Evening Star. Yeah, Chrome is just pretty buggy in most places that matter to DDOwiki. So if you're having issues with DDOwiki, and you're using Chrome or Opera or Safari or no, you'd never use Internet Explorer. Switch to Firefox. DDOwiki is Firefox preferred. Let's see here. Okay. Veil of Twilight. Veil of Twilight is level 8. The Vault of Night. Oh no, that's Shroud Pack. Derber. Shroud is the Veil of Twilight. So we're going to open up East and Central, and we're going to click on Edit. We're going to click on Edit. Scroll down. Scroll down. Adpack. The Veil of Twilight. No TOC. Should be before Adpack. So that should fix those. Oh, oopsie. Oopsie. Let's fix that. I boogered. I had a booger. Veil of Twilight. Adpack icon. Dope. I should have done show preview. Bad shoe. When are they going to make Epic Twilight Forge? Coming soon to a DDO game world near you. I hope. Okay, so what do we got? Reaver's Refuge. Reaver's Refuge is Reaver's Reach. A lot of these that are missing are just typos. Reaver's Refuge should be the Reaver's Reach. Yes, I realize that that icon shows up, but it's pulling it from a redirect, so it doesn't know that it's there. And now it's using the proper name for the pack. Let's see here. High Road of Shadows Adpack icon. High Road of Shadows. Let's see here. Oh, good morning, Barry. Do we have anybody else that I don't have yet? Sorry, Barry, wasn't ignoring you. Just these colors are hard to see. When you do the dark background, the username colors don't adapt for that very well. So it's hard to see some colors, like the blue and the red don't show up very well on the black. Purple shows up great, green shows up great, blue and red not so much. Orange, that's perfect. I love the orange city. Barryseal. Alright, so we are missing the High Road of Shadows. Adpack icon on both of those. Okay. Temple of Elemental Evil. We're missing the Temple of Elemental Evil. What level is that? The Temple of Elemental Evil is level 7, so that needs to go in the level 7 section. 6 to 10. And that should be by level, so that should be before Threnal. Necro 2 is 7 and 8, so we should put that before there. Move Vaughn down. Move Demon Sands down. Okay, Temple of Elemental Evil we don't have an icon for. Shadow under Thunderhome. The Ruins of Thunderhome. Okay, so that's the name of the pack, I'm guessing. So we're going to open. We're going to change Shadow under Thunderhome to the Ruins of Thunderhome. And then that should be edited. Open that. There was an epic version too, wasn't there? Let's edit that. Edit that. I don't know what this is about. Don't need that. Shadow Under Thunderhome. Oh. That is the name of the pack. Okay. The Ruins of Thunderhome, so Shadow Under Thunderhome, Shadow Under Thunderhome, Shadow Under Thunderhome, that's correct. Evening Star, so there we go. Ruins of Thunderhome, it is Shadow Under Thunderhome. We don't have that yet, but it's level 30. So let's go like this, Shadow Under Thunderhome. Scroll down here for level 30. Shadow Under Thunderhome. A pet peeve of mine is not having spaces here. So I'm going to add those in real quick. Alright, so let's see here. Mogul Wiki Monbile Wiki DDO. Sorry, I will change keyboard. Ha ha ha. Let's see here. Checking chat real quick. I don't know yet. Pretty busy. Can I use DDO graphics from Wiki to my production? Licensing. Everything that's on the wiki is currently considered to be released under Creative Commons Attribution Share Alike, which means that anything that you use from the wiki, you need to give credit to whoever, you need to give credit back to the wiki or whoever uploaded it. We have details about that on the copyright page. I'm hoping we have something there. Ah, yes. So this is what we have. You are free to copy, distribute, display, and perform the work, make derivative works, make commercial use of the work under the following conditions. By attribution, you must attribute the work in a manner specified by the author or licensor. Share alike: if you alter, transform, or build upon this work, you may distribute the resulting work only under a license identical to this one. So, actually, we use CCSA 2.5, not 3.0. So you're going to be releasing your stuff under CC 3.0. I believe that is compatible, but I'm not sure exactly. As long as it's CCSA. Basically, you have to make sure that you link back to the page on the wiki that you get it from. Alright, so where was I? Shadow under Thunderhome. Got some stuff going on there. Okay, so that one. Evening Star Challenge Pack Adpack icon. We don't have an Evening Star Challenge Pack. I'm not sure what to do with that one yet. I'll have to get back to it. Vault of Night Story Arc. Well, that one we can fix. File Amrath. We can fix that one, I believe. High Road of Shadows. That was supposed to be the High Road of Shadows, I believe. So we can fix those. And Reaver's Reach. Should be Reaver's Refuge. No, it should be the Reaver's Reach. Okay, so we can fix those. So let's save this. Alright, we can shrink that. Vault of Night should be... Figure it out real quick. I believe it's just Vault of Night. Reaver's Reach is quest name, yes. Reaver's Refuge is the pack. Alright, let's see here. So this one's just going to be dump that. Need to check Epic Normal XP. Interesting. So copy that, paste, save, make sure that that's right. No, it's not. It's the Vault of Night. Show preview. There we go, that's correct. Save page. (9:13), 45 minutes left. I'm sure that we'll fill it up with this project alone. Alright, so Plane of Night, fixed, 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 fixed. Amrath. Let's take a look at that one. The Devils of Shabrath. Where does Amrath link to? Alright, so edit. I think I know what's going on here. Yep, that's what I expected. Show preview. Good. That one's already set, so where does Amrath come from on this one? I don't see it. I'm gonna skip it. Probably the one that I just fixed. It's not quite Smarty. It's actually an entirely it's entirely own thing. It's actually called DDOwiki markup. It's a same idea as a template system, only it uses different syntax. Fixed, 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 fixed. High Road of Shadows. Those should all be the High Road of Shadows. Even though it doesn't exist yet, we can fix those. The name of the markup is DDOwiki.org/wiki/help. Formatting, I think it is. Let's just do nwp.org/wikitext. It's case sensitive. I don't remember where it is. Wiki markup. That doesn't help you. That doesn't help you. And there's a guide to editing if you want to learn how to edit. How to use the markup. So we get double on this one. Ooh. highroadpack.jpg. Interesting. I didn't even know that existed. So we can move that. We can fix it. Yay! I love it. So highroadpack.jpg. We're going to click on that. I'm going to delete that. We're going to delete that. Put a space in there. This is going to be the High Road of Shadows. All of this goes away. This is going to get moved. The High Road of Shadows Adpack icon. Rename for compliance with file naming policy. The High Road of Shadows. Make sure I got that right. See, it would have been wrong. That's been moved. Refresh the page. And bam. Excellent. Edit, 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 edit. What links here? Does anything else link to High Road? Nothing. I can delete the page. And I should get a little pop-up that says that it's been updated. Did it update? No, it didn't. Interesting. Maybe it's already been deleted. Oh, it has been deleted. Sweet. That's why it wouldn't show up. It's already been deleted. Okay, so where were we here? Adpack. The High Road of Shadows. And we're gonna cut that out of there. Paste it up there. Minor edit. All right. Reaver's Reach Adpack icon. I believe that's Reaver's Refuge. Start there on Reaver's Refuge. That's what I thought. So it's going to be Reaver's Refuge. Show preview. Good. Actually, save page. Paste. Oh, that should be Adpack to be specific. Alrighty, let's take a look at recent changes. Some stuff going on here. I didn't mark him as bought, even though I probably could have. I didn't put the Adpack in on those ones, but oh well. It'll still work. You can see that I marked them all as minor. So at very least, if you want to not see those, you could just filter out the minor edits. Hide minor. And none of those will show up if you wanted to get a cleaner list. Let's go to back to wanted files, bring up our search. Let's look for Adpack icon. Reaver's Refuge, Adpack icon, 7 links. Alright, we'll open that up, we'll see why that's there. Druid's Deep doesn't exist, we know that. Evening Star doesn't exist, doesn't exist, doesn't exist. This one we'll need to take a look at. Haunted Halls of Evening Star doesn't exist. Shadowfell Conspiracy. Expansion Adpack icon, we can fix that one. Get rid of the word expansion. And we're back to the top. Okay, so Shadow of a Doubt, we need to get rid of the word expansion. Alright, there's that. That one's done. Alright, so this is a redirect. What links here? Adventure Pack Icon Gallery, we can fix that one. That's a redirect. What links here? All those pages. Reaver's Refuge, Adpack icon. The Reaver's Reach Adpack icon. The system automatically puts in underscores instead of white spaces. It's easier to reach without the easier to read without the underscores, and there's no reason to do it. The system will automatically do it if it needs it. Otherwise, there's no need to do it. You can see that it's actually in the file name. So if you actually can put it in the file name, it'll actually take it out. It's just the way the system does it automatically. Alright, so there's a bunch there. So it's the Reaver's Reach. That's the actual Adpack name. Okay. The Reaver's Reach Adpack icon. So that one's right. What was the other one? can't remember. What links here? Reaver's Refuge. Ruins of Threnel. Ruins of Threnel is 6 to 10. So just Ruins of Threnel. So that fixes that. The other one will take care of itself. It's not my problem. All of these need to be redone again as the Reaver's Reach. Right. Alright, so those are all done. Go back to the Adpack icon, make sure there's nothing that still links there. Just those pages, which I don't care about. I'm going to delete that page. Done. Deleted. Recent changes. It's not that hard. Okay. Little cough there. Oh, so all those pages are on my watch list. I need to fix that preference. I don't like it. I don't want everything added to my watch list. Don't add pages and files I edit to my watch list. Or pages I move. Watch list. Edit raw watch list, because I'm lazy. Delete those. Delete those. Delete that. Don't much care about those. I don't know who Snowdragon is. Urlock. Don't care about those pages on this account. I have most of these on my other account. There. All stuff related to DDO stream. Good. Recent changes, preferences, saved. Good. Back in 10-20 minutes. Well, in about 20 minutes, I'll be drawing the 500 turbine point code winner. So make it snappy, Pappy. Ha 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 ha. All right. So what's my edit count at? Just curiosity. 641. Awesome. I think I want to do some bot editing. So I'm going to bring up AWB. Just give me a second to load it. All right, there it is. We are connected to DDOwiki. I am going to connect as Cobalt Sneak. I want to make a list of pages that transclude template Adpack. That's a list of all the pages that use template Adpack. Find and replace normal settings. Can actually clear this. Nothing left there. I need to find Adpack. Question mark. So I need to do this as Alright, I'm going to stretch this out a little bit so I can see the whole length of it. So I need to find that. Oh, and before that, it may or may not say Adpack equals open something up to closing and I want to replace that with, this is going to be regex, single line, minor, after fixes. I want to replace that with Adpack equals number 2. Okay. Nothing there. Skip. No changes are made. Edit blocked by spam filter. Bots. I'm not going to autosave yet, but I am going to suppress. Adpack bot cleanup for upcoming template change. And I'm going to start. And it's in pre-parse mode at the moment, so it's going to go through the entire list. And it's going to see if it's going to make a change or not. If it's not going to make any change, it dumps it out of the list. Otherwise, it highlights it in green, and we'll have just a list of pages that need to be edited. You can see the counter going down. It might be hard to see. The font size is kind of small. Options, preferences. I can set edit box font. Apparently I can't save the font size of the tool itself, so I can't make that any bigger. You can also see that it's, if you look down here, it tells you how many pages it's cleaning out of the list. It's skipped 16 pages so far. It's checking about 80 pages per minute. That's more than 1 page per second. Bot editing is really a good thing to do. It's taking a little bit of time with that one, moving through. $20 minutes left, that can work in the background. Recent changes. You see that nothing is happening for recent changes. I don't remember what this was about. Fix enchantments. I made it for something, but I don't remember what. Oh, taught character build sections. Okay. You can use the 3 from Giant Hold. You can use. There are 3. No, there's 1 in Giant Hold. There are 7 total. There's 1 in Giant Hold, 1 in Sands, 1 in Necro 4, in the Slayer area. There's 3 in Reaver's Reach. I don't remember where the 7th one is. Reaver's, Giant Hold. Reaver's, Giant Hold. Sands. Indeed. I don't remember if the last one is in the Vale. It could be in the Vale. Take a look at this. Still parsing through. Alright, so stopped. That means it's gone through all the pages. Now we go up to options. We turn off pre-parse mode. And we click start. And we take a look. It says that it's going to change. It's going to add underlinked, which is awesome. It's good to know because I want to add some of these templates. Adpack equals the Veil of Twilight. It trims out the things there. That's good. That's exactly what I want. Exactly what I want. It doesn't really change much, but I can actually add a line in there. Diff. So that's what it shows like now. I just want the diff. Trims those out. That's good. That's exactly what I want. Looks good to me. It looks like it's going to do exactly what I want. So I'm going to do autosave. Skip page if first nudge doesn't help. And click on start. And it's just going to go through and save them all for me. Nothing that I have to do. So I can actually shrink this down. I click on show bots here because I wanted to take a look at that first page that it did where it added those that extra template. Scroll down, Creeping Death. Added underlink tag, which we don't have yet, which is awesome. That's what I wanted to know. template underlinked. Excellent. So I need to build that. And I want to make sure that it's putting in the date right. Okay, so the date part is working, just the template underlinked isn't. So if I go to nwp.org template underlinked, right? View source. Copy this, paste it in here. Copy this. And actually, for action, I want to change that to history. Ambox underlinked, style, Wikify. This article needs more links to other articles. Please, to help integrate it into the Wikipedia, into the encyclopedia, please improve this article by adding links that are relevant to the context within the existing text. Date is date. Articles with too few wiki links. Don't need that. Underlinked end. 1, 2. Oh, okay, so don't need that. We don't have unsubs. I can dump this. Make it safe subs. Make it no include. Only include. Good. Show preview. We don't have Ambox, but we do have something that's similar to it. I just have to find it. Crud. If I go to Wikify, it'll tell me what it is. Wikify. It's just an Mbox, I believe. Just an Mbox. So I just go Mbox, show preview, dump that, so we don't have that image. Wikify.png probably. Actually, if I go down here to Mbox, it'll give me the parameters for it. Type is going to be name. I don't need name. I just need type. And for Wikify uses what? Wiki. So if I use type wiki, it is. So if I use type wiki, I don't need an image because it's part of the wiki. Type issue, I don't need issue, but that should be, let's see here. Issue is going to be header. The other one is going to be note. We don't need a date. Cat. Do we use cat? We don't use cat. So we don't use date cat at all. So, Steel Star is awake this morning, apparently. He says good morning on Facebook and a picture of himself with his bat shirt. It's pretty awesome stuff. Sneak peek at a developer. Let's see here. So, I'm actually going to move this header section down into Note. And then I'm going to include date, if it exists. I'm going to add a little no include thing in here. So no include time y now copy that. That'll only show up on this page. So Jan, so I don't like that look. How about if I do J? Nope. How about capital J? Nope. How about capital F? I am not eligible for this year's council as there is a required 1-year gap. And I actually do like the idea of that displaying in italics. I only want the date itself to be italics. Alright, so actually don't need that cat stuff. If namespace is namespace, cut, delete, include only, category, all articles with too few wiki links, and then for a header, we're going to do and I am actually going to add an image because I want to add some mouse over text to it. Oh. So, it's going to be time for that in a moment. Let's see here. Image, wiki. Oh, this needs to be updated sometime. Image. No mbox.ping. Oh, so I don't have any control over the image itself. Except for to add the image name. So it's going to be image size I can control, but I can't change the image itself. Yeah. So this template needs a lot of work. I'm not going to bother with it right now. Alright, let's save page for that. What links here? A couple places are using it already. Creeping Death. Oh, what's going on with that? Adpack. Why is that one borked? Underlink date, Adpack equals the Veil of Twilight. Oh, so I need to let me open recent changes. Looks like nobody's done a Legendary's Death handiwork yet. Maybe that's not dropping? Maybe the Heroic Pendant and Brazen Band aren't dropping? It's been a while. I would expect those to at least have pages by now. File Adpack equals Adpack icon. Okay, that looks like a template issue. Okay, so let's go to the template for that. Recent changes, template underlinked. Edit. Let's dump this. We don't need it. Yep, so that is a template issue. Somebody changed the template. Page history. Oh, Cobalt Sneak changed it. Okay. That's why. Roll that back, and that'll fix that. What links here? That should be fixed. look good. Palace of Stone. Alright, so we didn't get anybody else new to our stream that I could see since Crazy Trickster 127. So, let's do our drawing. I'm surprised I didn't see Titan this morning. Who's ready to win some TP? Hey, Racco wins some TP. And I think that's just about the end of the stream. Good. So the Palace of Stone looks good with the wiki tag on it. Let's show bots real quick. Let's check on our bot. And the list is done there, so it has completed its task. So it looks like it trimmed a bunch of links out. Doesn't look like it added a lot of templates, just made changes to the existing ones. Oh, it did add some underlinked. It added another underlinked. Why is underlinked red link? Cat UL. So I need to make a cat UL. Except we don't use cat. So I'll have to make a cat UL that redirects to the right page. Recent changes. Template underlinked. Edit. What page does it go to? All articles with too few wiki links. All right, so all articles, too few wiki links. Home. Redirect. Alright, so I am going to watch this page. And it just hasn't populated through yet, but that's okay. Alrighty, everybody have a great week. I will see you same Shoe channel, same Shoe time next week. Have a great week.